Hey friends, I'm showing you how you can import your vector pet into the program Canva. So we're going to actually jump in and create a design. So I click the create a design button in the top right. I'm looking through all of the different types of designs I can create, and I'm going to just create an Instagram story here. So it's going to pull up a blank page for you, this exact size you need for an Instagram story, and we're going to pull in our downloads down here. So if I just click on it, just make sure that's the right file we want to pull in. We're going to just take that file, we're going to click on, so you can see the menu on the left here. These show all the templates that you can create with, so you can start from a certain point, and then you can also search in here to see what types of templates they have. You can click on elements. This gives you elements to work with, like lines, shapes, graphics, stickers, photos, videos, and audio. So here's an example of a sticker, a photo, a video, and some audio. Sorry, this is a little loud. And then you can pause it there at the top. You can add in charts, change the percentages of the charts even, and the line weight, what type of chart you want it to look like. You can put in tables, frames for photos, so you could take that photo that we just put in and drop it into the frame, and it'll crop it to the frame. You can also use grids. So just an example of a grid, and this already is in a frame, but if you had another photo you could just drop it in. It doesn't work with stickers, so it has to be a photo collections. So these are collections of stickers in the same theme or style, so you can search by collection as well. We're going to go to uploads. So if you click on upload files, you can upload your file here. So there's the file we downloaded, or you can just take the file and drag and drop it into the uploads. So now we have both of our files with both of our pets, our vector-based pets. So all that means is that it's vectorized, so it's not using pixels, so you can resize it without it blurring or getting pixelated. Thanks for watching. I hope you found that helpful. Come hang out with us at Honeybee Designs on Instagram, or order your own custom vector pet at honeybeedesigns.com. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more Canva tips and tricks.